Today we are gonna go to my buddy's house and check out the whips that he has. I just want to do a different video this week and just do something where I show you all my buddy's cars, what's out in NWA, and so let's go ahead and head over to his house. Man, it is bright this morning. He's got two S chassis that we're gonna go take a look at. He's got an S13 and also his S14 that is LS swap. Hopefully we get a good video of all of it. So let's take this little quick drive. All right, guys. So we are here at Jacob's house. So let's go check out his cars. Grab these coffees. Damn! This is the first time I've ever seen it, dude. Dude, this thing is sick. Is it a red top or black?
Red.
Red? Just painted?
Yeah. I don't like the old OEM red. It just looks super grungy and dingy over time. So.
This thing's killer though, dude. £17?
Yeah. So it's because it's a Disco Potato Garrett ball bearing turbo.
What are you thinking? Close to like 3?
330.
Oh shit. That's what I want. I want like 300-400 range. I don't want anything extreme.
Yeah. That's like a perfect power level.
Yeah, just for the streets, man. Like I'm not gonna, race anybody or anything like that.
No.
I say that, I'll probably try, but.
No, that's about all you need on one of these.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Check out the garage though. All the project photos on the wall back in the day.
I don't even have them all. I'm missing some.
Oh shit. And the Nova.
Yeah, it's got 20% window tint all the way around now. So now I just need a wire.
That thing looks sick too. Yeah, let's check out that S14, man. Pop the hood on that thing.
Let me open that garage door.
Yeah, get some light in here.
What I do with the purple?
2JZ swap. Check it out, guys.
Yeah.
Damn, look at that.
This thing, I'm working with Beachworks to get the whole fuel system redone on it.
Okay.
So we're gonna get rid of the regulator, get rid of the filter and the engine bay, and then just go to hide all the fuel system out of the car.
Sick, dude. Check it out. LS. What is it? 1? 2?
No, it's actually
LSX?
a Gen 4 LS.
Okay.
With 799 GTO heads on it.
Damn. And tubed front end.
Yeah, because the car was wrecked before I bought it.
Yeah.
And it was never perfectly straight anyways. And I've been drifting it for, this will be the 5th year.
This looks good today though, man, or now, so.
Yeah, it'll be the 5th year drifting this car.
And this is a KBD
Yeah.
kit.
Yeah. I was one of the first when he put this kit out to get it. Because I put it in for the pre-order like 6 months in advance.
Sheesh.
So.
Polyurethane, great for drifting, so.
Yeah, the rest of it's all
And lifetime
Origin.
warranty.
I think, it's all Origin, pretty much everything else though.
Sick.
Origin.
Origin, everything, man. You name it.
Front fenders of Rocket Bunny. That was before I started doing all the Origin stuff. But I haven't broke them enough to warranty replacing them.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I actually don't mind the single vent because a lot of the Origin and like D-Max ones have 2 big vents in it.
Yeah.
Well, the single vent is a lot sleeker for a street car.
It's a preference thing. That's all it is.
Well, and then GK Tech I finally got the Aero mirrors.
Yeah. We want to check that out.
They have a blue glass lens on them.
That's pretty sick.
I do like this.
Looks killer, dude. It looks sleek. Flows with the car.
Yeah.
It's not like you get like that eBay feel or look or on it.
Well, and then the Aerowolf mirrors still fit on them.
Oh
But
yeah.
like the lens is blue.
That's good for that anti-reflection deal.
Yeah. So, because that car's this has got an AEM. It's just tucked under the steering wheel.
Okay.
And then
Shit.
550cc injectors.
Nismo? Yep.
Yeah. And then it's Gem Wolf tuned. So.
Who'd you pick this up from?
It was actually sitting in a barn in Springfield,
Sitting in a
Missouri.
barn?
Yeah, it's a barn find.
Very nice.
We did do all the upper arms on it, like the toe, the traction, and the camber arm. While we had the subframe out, we did confirm it is a viscous LSD with the fin diff, so it's a little more rare, a little more expensive. So
My favorite S13 would be the 180s model, man.
the hatch.
Yes, the hatch.
I don't know.
I'm a hatch guy. I love hatches.
There's something iconic about the hatch when it comes to S13s, but I like the coupe
Mm-hmm.
just because.
How about the vert?
I had a vert.
You did?
The bad thing about a vert, it rained on me every day. So
And
I
leaked?
never had the top down.
Oh, okay.
So because it was raining every day, I was like, this is annoying. So I traded it for like an LS400 at the time.
So we just finished up kicking at Jacob's house. Dope ass guy. If you want to follow and see more of his builds, hit him up on Instagram. It is zinky.jacob. Also, I do want to give a shout out to Trash STI for winning that Gates pod that we were giving out earlier. We plan to do more giveaways in the future. Hopefully, we can up the prizes to something like steering wheels and bigger things in the future. I don't know, maybe turbo kits or some shit. But anyways, let me know what y'all think and what y'all like the most out of the cars. What was your favorite build that was in that garage? Did you guys like the S13? Do you guys like the S14 or the Nova? I mean, you guys like more videos of this type of stuff? Hit me up. It was just something different, reaching out, hanging out with friends. Take a look at what they got. I just want to show you what NW has on cars. It's not just shitty trucks and hillbillies out here. Or is there? It was fun. It's great to hang out with friends. But anyways, till then, stay inspired, guys. Later.